Nakajingja bthai bom dynamite akakrem do yang athang school East Ginger Hills District kabalaja step sandrik rumphang arja phunrio kabla shem megijing em khatprangut kinong bala kala pauro kaipot hakan riu trek rumphang arja phunrio jongi boman saw kibadang Shah Sumar hagi jaka aijing Sumar hanong ba Shillong katkum katai kaipot lakadau bo Uwei Udei bona East Ginger Hills District ke Jala Meghalaya ubla tip kerteng kumushan ki Shilla life sansnem kerta Ubadai na Khliehriat East, ubadang Shah Sumar Nazareth Hospital. Katba Uwei pat kidai ubadang Shah Sumar NEIGRIHMS, kiba kentob Udei Malakar, Arpsan Senam Kerta, badu Jamil Ahmed, Life Penduduk Senam Kerta, kibadai na Assam, nang tau Korna, South Penduduk Senam, Bam Magar, South Senam, Ulalit Magar, South Senam, badu Nor Bahadur, Life South Senam, kibadai na Nepal. Kakaifat kakadaw ba kini boro kiman sa Pdung lani ka second degree burn injury dalam ka cingstom ka ring bat penhiar mensim nama ka cingman sa ring ka cingbetai bom dynamite hakram daw yong kathang sko na ka cingikran ba ikatto ka ni Bahaïing ba kilok chugi ba Shah Sumar NEIGRIHMS kilaong ba kimtep ba ki 130 daw yong siya kategi chaka ba Lyngngoh ba kingat hakum ka ni ka cingja.
I came to know through my relatives. They not my relatives but some of my neighbor, they were working there, so through them I got to know. Around 8:30 I came to know that there was some kind of burnout out there, so we were just thinking that might be it was just kind of blast and like fire out nearby house or places. So yeah, I got to know there, but then actually around 10 o'clock I got to know that it was some kind of serious thing happened. And then yeah, I came to know. I called people around there, and then they were searching for my brother-in-law, and then yeah, I think around 12 or 1 o'clock they get him, and yeah, we took him to hospital. I don't have that much idea, but maybe for 2-3 years, maybe something like that. I don't even know. I don't know.
Firstly, in which hospital you are?
Firstly, I be admitted in Uwei Woodland, and through there they recommended in this Shillong Woodland, and then from Shillong Woodland we came to NEIGRIHMS because even out there they said like they need a surgeon not for surgery and all plastic surgery, and the doctors weren't available there, so we came here in NEIGRIHMS. Even I want to know what exactly happened. Even I know nothing. I just saw from the news. Even some of my friends, they were just forwarding me that these things happen at this place, and I don't even know which place he was working at. I just came to know everything through news and through people only. I know nothing. Yeah. Yes, I just got to know, and also by seeing the video, I got to know that kind of blast was happened in that quarry and in that that place, that area. I don't know what will be the ideal situation because people are working there. There are many people are working there for the family, for their own needs. They need employment. So out there they don't have any employment, right? So that's the only thing where illiterate people they work and earn properly, so that they can send their children in a good school, so that they won't have to do the such things, which is very very risky without any proper safety things. So they are still working there. So I just want I don't know, I don't have any kind of what do I say, like, because people are doing there, working there. I know nothing. It's just that yeah, they should just be there should some safety while while doing all this work and all. But yeah, nothing. The thing is that I just got to know today itself. I was wondering that he might have been working in other places, and just today itself I got to know that he worked in that place where I don't even know which place is it and where it does it even falls. His condition might be a bit critical, which is why he's in ICU right now. Yeah, if I heard, like, if the like the doctor was telling us earlier that he might have to shift in a good private hospital, maybe because there is a chances of getting infection and all. So, but because today we have been already to three hospitals, and then right now we just said, like, whatever even if there is chances to be in ICU, let him be in ICU for now, and then after 2-3 days, if it's okay, then we might take him to other hospital, private hospital, where we can treat. Even here also they are treating well, I guess, but then the thing, yeah, we just wanted to be him a bit safe, like in a good hospital and all. Even because out here right now there are a lot of people are coming, the same condition people. My younger sister, she came from Uwei. She came from that place, like from Khliehriat, with him as attending, and then I just came from Nongstein, and then I came here. Even she's kid, so I'm the only one here right now.
पेशेंट नाम क्या है?
नाम देव मलाकर।
अब क्या लगता है इसका? हमें बड़ा भाई और छोटा भाई?
हम लोग का हस्बैंड।
और
आपका हस्बैंड
कैसा सिचुएशन अभी
कैसा
ठीक है?
situation? ठीक है।
अभी इतना तो ठीक नहीं है
हाँ, कितना साल है हमें काम कर रहा है?
उधर में, कम से कम ऐसा ही हो गया 3-4 हफ्ता से काम कर रहा था उधर में। और बाद में फिर हुआ था, ब्लस हुआ था, पर काम में तो नहीं गया था। अभी फिर ये तो सुबह से हुआ है।
हाँ।
ये वो लोग किया,
कौन इन्फॉर्म किया आपको?
इन्फॉर्म
हाँ।
कोई नहीं किया, बट हम लोग कुछ क्वारी का नजीक बैठा है ना, हम लोग भी। हाँ, हम भी उधर में बैठा है। और कितना 5 बजे वो लोग काम में गया है, और ये तो घटना 8 बजे हुआ है
सुबह में।
हाँ, 8 बजे हुआ है। सोचो, हम लोग कुछ खाना साना कुछ भी खाया नहीं हम लोग। और हम लोग को मालूम भी नहीं है, वो मतलब दूसरा क्वारी से फ्लोर में दूसरा क्वारी ब्लास्टिंग मार दिया, और हम लोग का क्वारी में आ गया आग।
मतलब उस जगह में कितना साल काम कर रहा है आपका हस्बैंड?
हम लोग का हस्बैंड तो पता नहीं, पहले से काम करता था, बाद में फिर बंद कर दिया था, और फिर इधर में आ गया था। तो हमारे आसम क्वारी में बैठा है, और जब फिर आसम क्वारी से इधर आया। और
आसाम का है ना?
हाँ, आसम का है। हाँ,
कौन सा जगह, कौन सा डिस्ट्रिक्ट, कौन सा जगह असम में?
आसम त्रिपुरा।
त्रिपुरा से है।
हाँ,
मतलब वहाँ में जो साल में काम कर रहा, मालूम कितना साल हो गया?
मालूम नहीं,
कितना
नहीं
बच्चा
पूछा।
है?
बच्चा कितना बच्चा?
बच्चा है 4 ठो।
बच्चा लोग उधर ही है,
उधर है।
हाँ,
कैंप में है। वो कौन अभी देखता है?
और हम लोग का हस्बैंड का माँ।
वो माँ भी है।
हाँ,
Myself?
Yeah.
My name is Dolma Sherpa.
क्या?
Dolma Sherpa. Yes.
So you
My father is admitted here.
admitted. Oh, your father.
Yeah.
Okay. So can you tell us about this incident? How
That
did it
incident.
happen?
I stay in Khliehriat with my parents, along with my brothers, sisters, and my mother. I went to college there in Bandihatti. So this morning I got to know that something had happened to my father, and he's in very critical situation. Someone brought my father in Khliehriat. Then my mother, she was all crying, and so I left her at home. Then I came with my father here in Woodland in Uwei. So from there to Shillong, then from Shillong Woodland to here. That much only, because me also means we are in like shock only, that because these things happened to my father. So my mom also sick, she cannot proceed what is going on. And that place also we don't means get to know exactly which place is that. And I don't think so. My father also, I think not even 1 month he started working there. I think that much only.
So he has been working in a mine earlier also, or this is the
Yeah, because obviously he is illiterate, so he cannot find a decent job. So obviously he have to do some kind of labor work only to feed us. Exactly the situation. I only saw him when he went when someone brought him to Khliehriat. So I also don't know the exact situation.
Okay. So you don't know what kind of job he
Yeah.
is going to do. Of the family's financial constraint. Yeah.
The financial condition also is not good. That is why my father, he have to work outside to feed us. Otherwise, if we are in a good condition, then he don't have to work anywhere like finding this and that job or jobs to do feed us to make us go to school.
How many of you are there?
4. I am the eldest one.
Okay.
I think it's been many years, but not in the same place, but transferring from here and there.
transferring
That
here and
also I don't have any idea, because I cannot remember all the places, and he don't even tell us. He just told us, you can always focus on your studies. The rest I will handle, because obviously he's the head of the family.
So originally from here only or from outside?
From here.
From here.
Born and brought up here.
I just got to know maybe some are injured, maybe 10 to 15 people, but I don't get to see them. I only brought my father here because he was in a critical situation, so that's it.
What is the doctor's opinion?
Yeah, he's there only. He's now means little stabilized only, but we cannot say that. I've asked the doctor, but the doctor told us that means he's not that much serious, but in a critical condition only.
Okay.
Yeah, not in ICU, in the general ward only.
General ward.
But he's wearing that oxygen mask and all that IV drops.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la ikan diat bat ka batau bha kam kata ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.